How to use voice to trigger recognize music in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on accessibility and then scroll down and click on vocal shortcuts. Now click on add action and then scroll down and select spotlight and then search here recognize music. Recognize music. Recognize music. Recognize music. After that, click on continue and go back to your home screen and say recognize music. Recognize music. Now here you can see your recognize music. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.